Uniswap value equivalent to $4.3340 a coin. The present reach, $4.3030, $4.4170. The earlier day close, $4.3500. The change was 0.0160. 0.37%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at $4.37. Most extreme cost $4.92. Least cost $3.93. The normal for the month $4.39. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.32. Change for September 1.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Initially cost at $4.32. Most extreme cost $4.75. Least cost $3.66. The normal for the month $4.26. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.29. Change for October 0.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place cost at $4.29. Greatest cost $4.29. Least cost $3.35. The normal for the month $3.88. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.60. Change for November 16.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $3.60. Greatest cost $4.47. Least cost $3.60. The normal for the month $3.96. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.18. Change for December 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $4.18. Most extreme cost $4.70. Least cost $4.08. The normal for the month $4.34. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.39. Change for January 5.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $4.39. Greatest cost $4.39. Least cost $3.76. The normal for the month $4.15. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.04. Change for February 8.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $4.04. Greatest cost $4.04. Least cost $3.39. The normal for the month $3.78. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.64. Change for spring 9.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset cost at $3.64. Greatest cost $3.64. Least cost $3.16. The normal for the month $3.46. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.40. Change for April 6.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $3.40. Most extreme cost $3.60. Least cost $3.12. The normal for the month $3.37. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.36. Change for May 1.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.36. Greatest cost $4.17. Least cost $3.36. The normal for the month $3.70. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.90. Change for June 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $3.90. Most extreme cost $3.90. Least cost $3.20. The normal for the month $3.61. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.44. Change for July 11.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $3.44. Most extreme cost $3.44. Least cost $2.69. The normal for the month $3.12. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $2.89. Change for August 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at $2.89. Greatest cost $3.33. Least cost $2.89. The normal for the month $3.06. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.11. Change for September 7.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $1.05. Most extreme cost $1.31. Least cost $1.05. The normal for the month $1.16. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.22. Change for November 16.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. At the outset cost at $1.22. Most extreme cost $1.48. Least cost $1.22. The normal for the month $1.33. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.38. Change for December 13.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.38. Most extreme cost $1.38. Least cost $1.08. The normal for the month $1.25. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.16. Change for January 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with cost at $1.16. Greatest cost $1.16. Least cost 90 cents. The normal for the month $1.05. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end 97 cents. Change for February 16.4%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.97. Greatest cost $1.21. Least cost 97 cents. The normal for the month $1.07. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.13. Change for spring 16.5%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with cost at $1.13. Greatest cost $1.40. Least cost $1.13. The normal for the month $1.24. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.31. Change for April 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at $1.31. Most extreme cost $1.63. Least cost $1.31. The normal for the month $1.44. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.52. Change for May 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.52. Greatest cost $1.88. Least cost $1.52. The normal for the month $1.67. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.76. Change for June 15.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2026. At the outset cost at $1.76. Most extreme cost $1.81.